Okay, here we go. It's Ellie coming in here from Las Vegas, Nevada. I watch all these cooking shows, and they're always talking about how great they do this and great they do that. Well, you know what? Today I'm going to show you how great I do it. I use a charcoal starter, and I also use lump coal instead of briquettes. Briquettes have a lot. Lump coal's all natural. Briquettes will have fillers and junk, and it's just not good or healthy for you. My favorite steak is a ribeye, bar none. But I thought I'd try. I saw these at Smith's. I thought I'd try some chuck steaks. They're cheap, and they look good. A lot of graining. We'll see how they come out. I season them with a little kosher salt or sea salt, black pepper, and a little bit of garlic. You can see I have the coals on one side of the grill. I have more coals than I really need. I'm going to do a reverse sear, and I'll show you how that goes in a bit. All right, so you see I put the steaks on the side where there are no coals. Now I'm going to toss in a little piece of hickory just to give it a little smoky flavor. There's the hick. Weber's covered. Let it sit there for about 10. It's a pretty thin steak. It can be 10, 12 minutes. Then we'll do the sear. You can see the temperature is hot, man. It's hot. All right, they're searing for a minute aside. Okay, now I'm going to flip them. Put this one over here, get a little more heat. This one over here. And hey, one more minute, we'll see how it is. There it is. Let it rest for a couple minutes. We'll see how it is. I'll report back to you. Now I'm going to taste it. Definitely overcooked it a bit, but still flavorful as could be. Have a good one, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.